Good morning to all of you, respected Mrs. Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 78th National Independence Day of our India. We celebrate this day as a national festival of our India. We know this day as the anniversary of independence from the British rule. On 15th August 1947, it is a very special day for all Indian citizens because we got independence with lots of struggles and sacrifices of our great freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jhansi Lakshmibai, Tanguturi Prakasam Pandit, Ghulam Nabi Azad and millions of others. It's truly feeling our freedom fighters' love for this land. So my dear friends, under the British conditions our nation was not good. But now we have world's largest democracy with free and happy people. Our youth are leading technology, medicine, engineering. So my dear friends, this day comes every year to remind our promises to this land. So as a youth, we are the future for our nation. Our great